Back in business, back at it at 12:59 p.m. Tuesday, April 18th. 3 hours to no, that's 2 hours, Bart. 2 hours to go in the trading day. 2 hours and 1 minute Central Standard Time. Let's head back over to that put options scanner. This is for puts. This is for puts only. Annualized return of 20% plus. One of the criteria involved in this scanner. Market cap 1 billion plus. And days to expiration, I think I went up to 60 on that. So we'll just see where we left off. We did our move on Qualcomm. We already have action on the table on Amazon. Schwab. We haven't made any moves on Schwab, have we? Which Schwab? Say that 10 times fast. What is Schwab in the DEX at currently? When this scanner was put together, they were at 5303. What are they now? What are they now? You look at Charles Schwab Corporation. Are they lower than 5303? And if they are, nope, they're not. They're higher. Wow. So we probably won't be looking to sell any puts on the Schwab in the deck at this very moment. But that's what we have to do. We got to look through and see where we want to be. Nvidia, I think, is up pretty good today. Nvidia is currently at, they're up 2.5%. So there's that. And again, when it comes to selling puts, the best scenario regarding your premium profitability would be on a red day, which would be when the stock is down. PayPal, you can look at some of those. Let's just check Meta and PayPal as well, just to check where they're at currently. Because today is turning back to green and flat. Meta down today. I think it's down a couple days in a row. Is that correct? So last week on the 12th, they were down to 214.17. Oh, Wednesday, 11 a.m., they were at 212.68. So they might have enough volatility to get some action. If we go year to date, we're gonna disregard all of this, which we should have been messing around with them then. Darn it, should have been buying them. But from this bounce, what are we looking at? 170, fairly volatile. I don't think there's any action for us on Meta. On the Meta, let's go back to the Scana. PayPal, PY, and the PL. Quick look at it. PayPal down 1%. Currently considered a fair value over at Yahoo Finance year to date. Earnings date is going to be between April 25th and May 1st. So that's coming up. What have they done in the last 5 days? They were down here at 73.62. They bounced all the way up into the 75s, and they started to make their way up into 77s. So I don't know. Let's just see what kind of premium is on that. They have a lot of action, a lot of volume daily on the PayPal trades. So there might be some action to be had because of volatility and because of volume. So if you look at so what is the volatility? It's not too high, 33% here. It's a 40 delta, though. You're looking at a 40 delta. I'm going to say no on the PayPal. Just does not look appealing enough. We just took off our risk on Tesla. booked a decent profit on that, 50% annualized. Netflix, Netflix, when is their earnings? Is it today? Today. The 18th is Netflix today. It is today. What are they up? They're up almost 1%. They're after hours though. Do you have the guts to make a play on Netflix short term? I mean, it could be out a week, maybe a credit spread, like really conservative credit spread. Take advantage of the current volatility on the table because they're reporting their earnings today. When? Tomorrow? No, today. Let me confirm that. Hold on. Where are you, Bar? Are you still there? Sorry about that. I've told you a million times how distracted I get, or how easily distractible I am. I don't know why this isn't telling me. Normally, that's a good resource. Let's just look it up. When does Netflix report earnings? I know it's going to show us that it's today, but is it after the market? 5 p.m. Central. Okay, so 5 p.m. they'll release their earnings right before that. What kind of action can you get on a put credit spread? Because I have a decent feeling for Netflix. Doesn't mean that market will respond the way that I think it will, which will be positively. I think Netflix is going to go up after the earnings, but I have actually no idea. But because of volatility, like for instance, I mean, look at this 332.50 put 3 days out, and it's going to pay $14.20. That'd be $1,420. But look at that implied volatility, nearly 120%. Because Netflix, it has wild swings, doesn't it? To and fro. Is it fro? To and fro? To and fro? I don't know. I can't think out loud and talk at the same time. How could you, though, think out loud and talk? Isn't that the same thing? You're probably right. So let's keep looking downtown to Chinatown. 3 days out. 3 days out. What if you went like something crazy all the way down here to 270 at a 96% chance of profitability, an 028 delta, but we created a credit spread. So a put credit spread. Let's just see what this looks like. If we click over to the buy and go down to just like a circuit breaker, those are really tight though, aren't they? Very tight. 270, 257.50, 21-cent credit. I mean, they're not going to crash through 270. Why would you even say that out loud? What if you jinx us? I don't think we're going to jinx you. But if you were to look at this number, because what would we be risking? $1,250. Okay, so $1,250. So you'd make 23 on 1250. Okay, we would divide it by 3 for 3 days and then multiply it by 365. It'd be 223% annualized. Could do the Netflix shuffle. If you just wanted to fill it at 22, collect 110. Review order. Let's just do our math again. $110 bills, right? 110 on 60 to 50 equals this, divided by 3, multiplied by 365, 214%. And it would have to really go downtown to Chinatown to threaten us, and that's in only 3 days. Let's just check it out. Let's check it out. I don't know if it's going to fill, though. It's just all over the board between this bid and ask, isn't it? It's all over. But we'll put it up on the board and then see what happens. What's it doing right now? Yeah, it's been ticking up, so that has worked against us. At the very moment that we put on that trade, that works against us. So, do you want to adjust it now or later? Wait, we're getting closer. I'm watching this bid and ask in real time. In the real time. Man, it's just all kinds of action on Netflix. Oh, they're racing now. Wait, back down? Oh, up and down, all around. You sure you went in on that volatility? I don't know. Now I'm scared. Now I am scared. We'll leave it on the board. We'll keep watching it and we'll check back. There's other things on the put spreadsheet I want to check out with you. We'll come right back and we will do just that. We'll check it out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend.